How to add bank account in DistroKid. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add a bank account in DistroKid. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the DistroKid website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on the DistroKid interface, you will need to purchase something on DistroKid so that you can add your bank account details. So for example, I'm just going to purchase a plan, and for example, I'm just going to choose this one, the musician plan, and right here I will need to add my payment method. So right here, if I connect or add my bank account details, for example, right here on the below, I will input my name on the card, my card type, my card number, expiration date, my country, and also my postal code. After I input all of this DistroKid will verify my bank account, and after the purchasing is complete, that bank account that I added or that I use will be automatically added as my default bank account when I purchase something again in DistroKid. Then yeah, that's it. So after you use your bank account to purchase in DistroKid, you can just go to your account details in your payment method details, and your bank account will automatically added there. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add bank account details on DistroKid. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.